Okay, Branson just woke up. He's 3 weeks old. He's really fussy, not happy. He's got a very full diaper at pee-pee because he just woke up. Oh, we got a little poo-poo too. So what I'm going to do is wipe the little bit of poo-poo first, because we don't want to get that everywhere. Boop, 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 boop. Cooper, no. You can have one. Go away. One. Go play. You don't need to help him wipe. Thank you. Cooper's done. Now I've got my top hat potty with Cozy, and it still has poop and pee in it from catches I made throughout the night. So I'm gonna check the level. It's about mid-full, and put him on. Yeah. Ooh. See how he's not happy? Usually this is because he needs to go. It's okay. It's okay. Shh, 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 shh. Cooper, stop, honey. Stop poking him. Did you find your thumb? Oh boy, that's nice. You get your thumb, huh? He's clearly hungry. But what interferes with breastfeeding more than anything, latch or anything, is the fact that they need to go pee or poop. He'll stop mid, nursing just to need to go to the bathroom. So we do this first. This establishes a good habit. Nope. No touch. Okay. Let's see what we got. Yep, he peed. So now we can go forth and nurse. But see how much he fusses and cries? When he really needs to pee, and he also needs to eat, and he's conflicted, right? But, okay. Next thing I'm going to do is get him a little bit better cleaned up. And I'm going to put this little towel here because you never know. He likes to just kind of go. Stop taking these out, honey. And my 18-month-old is here helping. Actually, we can't put those back in. You're rubbing your hair with them? Good boy. Yeah, you keep those. He's not feeling well, so we'll keep those out of the system. Okay, you got anything else coming out? So his butthole has a little new poop on it, which just means that after I'm done nursing, or even during, I'm definitely gonna see if he has any poop signals, because he might need to go. Put them in the trash, thank you. He might need to go more, and that's only because I'd already wiped him, and now he's got a little bit new. Please don't put that in there, honey. All right, go in. Go play. Go in. Put some balm on his butt. I like to keep that nice and clean and not rashed, so I use this stuff. Earth Mama Angel Baby Bottom Balm. All right, so I'll clean that potty later. We're going to put a new diaper back up on him. I'm using disposables right now because he's so tiny. I can't get my cloth diapers to work yet. Always happens. I will switch to cloth in probably, he's 3 weeks old. I'll probably switch to cloth in about a month. Then we'll have some more body to work with, huh? So far, honestly, like signal-wise, he signals the same with disposables or with cloth. No, you're sick. We're not giving you any of that. So yeah, he'll wear these for a little. But honestly, I'm going to use disposables for 2 months. I reuse a lot of them. I'm not going to be using nearly as many as the usual person who has their baby in diapers for 3 years in the daytime and 5 years at night. So we're doing good. So yeah, that's how a newborn cries when they really need to pee. And you notice the remodeling we're doing. Cries when they really need to pee. And before breastfeeding, I want to be sure and potty them so that they feed fully.